Lasers!
A laser.
Would you be amazed to find out you can buy a smartphone with a laser in it? Maybe if this was May 2014. That's when LG came out with the G3, the first smartphone with laser-assisted autofocus. Since then, a number of mobile manufacturers have added laser-assisted autofocus as a camera feature. Even LG added it to the new G4. In fact, here we have three of the latest smartphones with laser-assisted autofocus: the Asus Zenfone Laser, the OnePlus 2, and the LG G4. Now, how does laser-assisted autofocus work? There's a small transmitter located on the back of the handset near the camera sensor. The first step involves firing out a short laser light burst, which is then reflected back off whatever you happen to be pointing the camera at. This light then travels back towards the sensor, where the software calculates the time it takes for the light to leave and return, resulting in a very accurate measurement of how far away the target object is. Isn't that fascinating? But at Digit, while we marvel at all the cool tech, we also have to put it to the test. So today, we're subjecting these three to our three-step laser-assisted focus test. Let's begin. Number 1. The rocking test. Rocking the mobile back and forth helps us find out how quickly the laser adjusts to being shifted while the distance is static. All the manufacturers claim their lasers take less than 1/30th of a second to focus, and here you can see the results for yourself. All three smartphones claim at least 1/30th of a second focusing time, and at that speed, our first test didn't find any reason to doubt the claim. LG G4 and Asus Zenfone 2 laser appeared to lock just slightly faster than the OnePlus 2. All three passed the test with equal accuracy. Number 2. The distance test. Keeping three objects at different distances allows us to see how the laser performs when it is kept static and the laser adjusts to objects both near and far. In other words, what is the effect when the laser has to travel further or less distance? The LG G4 had slightly faster focusing when we tested across objects at three different distances. It looks more accurate in terms of speed, and the larger aperture of f1.8 allows for better bokeh effects. While the OnePlus 2 has an aperture of f2.0, the Zenfone 2 laser boasts the same amount. But clearly, all three do their best work in close-up shots. Number 3. The moving object test. Now, when we take an object like a ball, or as you can see Lego Cyclops here, and move him back and toward the camera, what you'll notice is the laser has to keep changing the amount of distance it travels. As the distance changes, the laser has to constantly readjust the focus. Here we test the speed and accuracy of the laser. So in this test again, the G4 was the fastest and most precise, followed by the OnePlus 2 and the Zenfone 2. But that's also down to the difference in processing engines of the three phones. It's time for the final summary. So in all three tests, the LG G4 came out ahead. But to be fair, the LG G4 is a flagship priced at Rs 38,999 over the OnePlus 2 priced at Rs 24,999. That's if you can actually get one, and the Asus Zenfone 2 laser costs 10K. The laser itself is fast in all three phones with just a slight variation across the board, which we think can mostly be attributed to the camera's processing engine. So, lasers!
A sophisticated feature which we call a laser.
What used to be high-end tech now fits into a 10K smartphone, and based on the results of our tests, we easily expect it to be in phones all across the future. If you liked that video, please share your thoughts. Visit digit.in for more videos, and check out our Facebook page to leave comments and request to see more videos you'd like. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much.